So today we will discuss about the COBOL programming execution process. Okay. Before that, we need to develop the COBOL program. First, we used to develop the program using COBOL. Okay. So identification division along with program ID. My program name is sample. Next, procedure division where I can write my logics. Inside the procedure division, I'm writing display hello world. Okay, this is my message. After that, stop run. This is the ending of the stop run means exit point. So here the starting position is identification division. Along with identification division, program ID with program name, my procedure division. In procedure division, I can write my logics. I'm writing display hello world. Stop run. It is exit point. Okay, this is just a sample COBOL program. Okay, after developing the program using COBOL, need to compile. Compilation of COBOL program using JCL IBM utilities. Okay, we have two utilities, IGY, CRETL, and HEWL. We are using two utilities to compile the COBOL programs. One is IGY, CRCTL, and HEWL. So we write a COBOL program. Name. So the first step is to compile by using IGY, CRCTL utility, or you can compile with IGYWCL utility. We have two utilities to compile the program. We are using IGY CRCTL utility. Okay. So after that, it will check the error messages. Okay. If any syntactical errors, it will check. Which utility? IGY CRCTL utility is to check the syntax errors. So if there are no errors means it will generate object code. Okay. So here if you find any errors, If we find any errors, we will get compilation error. So here if there is no error means it will generate the object code. Okay. Next, it will link edit by using HEWL utility or IEWL utility. By using HEWL utility, it will link edit the object code. And generate the load module of the COBOL program. Load module is nothing but a in machine level language. Okay. Link edit will generate the load module to the COBOL program. What is load module means? Load module is nothing but to store the libraries. Okay. Respond, please.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
ma'am.
So if this compilation is success, we will get the maxi 0. Okay. If compilation is successful, we will get maxi equal to 0. Okay. What is maxi means? Maxi full form maximum conditional code. Okay. So maximum conditional
Yes.
code.
Oh,
Maxi full form. So after compilation is success, we will execute our COBOL program. Execution of COBOL program using JCLs only we will execute. Okay. In execution process, we need two inputs. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So one is load library. You already created the load library dataset yesterday. So one is load module. Where we will get this load module means after compilation success, we will get the load module from the compilation. This is the input from, this is the output for the compilation and input for
Exit.
the execution process. Okay.
Mm.
Load module of the COBOL program. Okay.
Okay.
Once you develop the program, this is sample program to display the hello world message. Okay. We followed all the syntactical rules to write the program. Once you develop the COBOL program using IGY, CR, CTL and HEWL utility, used to compile those programs. Okay, IG or CATL, what it will check means it will check the syntactical errors. If any error occurs, it will show compilation error. No error means it will generate the object code. So here the object code is input for the link edit HWL utility. So it will generate the HWL utility will generate the load module. Okay. So at compilation time, the output is load module and it is the input for the execution process. So one more is load library datasets. Okay. These two are the inputs for execution steps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So currently we are learning, we don't write this JCL script from the scratch. After learning the JCL, you can write your own test JCLs by your own. So now we need to copy this compilation process and execution process JCL from the demo.cobol. Okay. Means there is a system defined PDS. You need to copy from this PDS. Okay. So in demo.cobol you can find 255 members. Members means in the sense programs. You can find 255 members. So it is a demo.cobol is a system data set. So it is a PDS. So you need to copy these two. From demo.cobol to our own PDS. So X for this for so we need to copy this xcob and pgm2j from demo.system dataset to our own PDS. By using xcob, we can compile the COBOL program and pgm2j is to execute the COBOL program. Okay.
Okay.
So how to copy? So how to copy means navigation, location. Mhm. L space member name. You need to give this in the command line. Okay. L space member name means here member name is xcob. Okay. And pgm is the member name. You need to give L space member name in the demo.cobol PDS. Okay. I will show this navigation once you get the pen drive. You can understand easily. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So copy using C command. Okay. Before member name, you used to give the C command to copy, and to find we can use F. So after copying xcob and pgm to J, then open our own PDS. So then you can see in your PDS pgm xcob and pgm to J in your PDS. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after you need to write the uh, for our understandable purpose, we are renaming this pgm2j to xrun. For our understandable purpose, renaming the pgm2j to xrun using R command. Okay, I will show this compilation and execution steps and copying from demo.dataset to our own PDS. These two member names, xcop pgm2j, to our own PDS. Okay, I will show this in practical. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after, how will you create a new member in PDS using S space member name you can give to create your new member name, and this member name maximum length 8 characters. You can give maximum 8 characters to the member name. If you want to give 9 also, no problem, but it will show error message. It don't take. You can give less than 8 and you can give 8 also, but if you provide more than 8, it will show you error. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.